Spring.
Spring.
Spring brings warm weather.
Spring brings warm weather.
Flower.
Flower.
The flower blooms in the garden.
The flower blooms in the garden.
Blossom.
Blossom.
The trees blossom in spring.
The trees blossom in spring.
Rain.
Rain.
It rains a lot in spring.
It rains a lot in spring.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
A rainbow appears after the rain.
A rainbow appears after the rain.
Sunshine.
Sunshine.
The sunshine feels warm today.
The sunshine feels warm today.
Breeze.
Breeze.
A soft breeze moves the leaves.
A soft breeze moves the leaves.
Garden.
Garden.
She plants flowers in the garden.
She plants flowers in the garden.
Seed.
Seed.
The seed grows into a plant.
The seed grows into a plant.
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 He waters the plant every day.
He waters the plant every day.
Tree.
Tree.
The tree grows new leaves.
The tree grows new leaves.
Leaf.
Leaf.
The leaf turns bright green.
The leaf turns bright green.
Grass.
Grass.
The grass grows quickly in spring.
The grass grows quickly in spring.
Bird.
Bird.
The bird sings in the morning.
The bird sings in the morning.
Nest.
Nest.
The bird builds a nest.
The bird builds a nest.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
A butterfly lands on the flower.
A butterfly lands on the flower.
Bee.
Bee.
The bee collects pollen.
The bee collects pollen.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
A ladybug crawls on the leaf.
A ladybug crawls on the leaf.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
The caterpillar eats the leaves.
The caterpillar eats the leaves.
Egg.
Egg.
The bird lays an egg.
The bird lays an egg.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
A rabbit hops across the field.
A rabbit hops across the field.
Chick.
Chick.
A small chick follows its mother.
A small chick follows its mother.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
She carries an umbrella in the rain.
She carries an umbrella in the rain.
Boots.
Boots.
He wears boots on rainy days.
He wears boots on rainy days.
Puddle.
Puddle.
The kids jump in the puddle.
The kids jump in the puddle.
Park.
Park.
Families walk in the park.
Families walk in the park.
Kite.
Kite.
The children fly a kite.
The children fly a kite.
Cloud.
Cloud.
A white cloud floats in the sky.
A white cloud floats in the sky.
Easter.
Easter.
They celebrate Easter with family.
They celebrate Easter with family.
Joy.
Joy.
Spring brings joy to many people.
Spring brings joy to many people.